3D printers are a new generation of machines that can make everyday things in different materials. They can be used for prototyping, manufacturing, medicine, custom art, and design. The possibilities are endless. The Creative Media Studio inside the Oviatt Library offers free 3D printing for enrolled CSUN students. Students may print for class or personal use. The process of getting your own 3D print is simple. First, we need a 3D model formatted as an STL file. There are a few ways to obtain an STL file. You can download STL files from websites that offer ready-to-print 3D designs. A free option that we recommend is called Thingiverse.com. If you want to design your own 3D model, Tinkercad.com is a free and simple option to make any homemade 3D objects that you like. But for more advanced users, you may use software such as AutoCAD or SolidWorks, which is free to use for CSUN students. To start the process, come into the Creative Media Studio during our open hours and let one of our student assistants know that you would like to submit a 3D print. We will have you fill out a 3D print submission form where we will ask you for your CSUN ID number and CSUN email. You will also indicate whether your 3D print is for personal or class use. We'll provide you with a one-on-one consultation where we will help you choose the preferred settings for your print job, such as detail, weight, durability, and color. You can pick from a variety of colors that we offer. We print with a plastic called PLA, which is a durable, biodegradable, and non-hazardous material made out of cornstarch. The student assistant will ensure your 3D print does not go over our time and weight limit of 12 hours and 160 grams. We will also answer any questions you may have about your 3D print. Once the form is completed, we will place your request in our 3D print queue and give you an estimated wait time. When your submission is next in the queue, a student assistant will review your file once more to ensure successful printing. They will save your model as a G-code file, which is a set of coded instructions that the printer reads. We will notify you via email when the submission starts printing. Feel free to come into the CMS and see your print progress. A final email will be sent once the print is finished, and you may come and pick it up. For any further questions, please call, ask us in person, or visit our website.